Hi guys, Lorraine here. Come downstairs to do a little bit of painting today. I know my last couple of videos have been pouring medium tests, but I thought I'd break it up a little bit. I want to try another cloud pour. The last one I did looked beautiful, but took a look at it today. It's been quite a few days and it has cracked on me all throughout here and all throughout here. So I'm not sure, maybe my paint was too thin. Maybe I left too much on there, because I can see down here where it's not cracked, the paint does look thinner, and this looks like it's a heavier layer up here. So maybe I just left too much paint on the canvas. So I'm going to try it again. I've already put some base white down on my 11 by 14 canvas, and that is the Artist Loft white paint mixed with Floetrol and some water. I have, I'm going to do a blue with some gold in it. So I have an Artist Loft Turquoise, a Master's Touch Ultramarine, Phthalo Blue, I think that's a Master's Touch as well. And then I have my Artist Loft White mixed with the satin enamel from Deco Art. And I've mixed them so that they're thin, that they just kind of fall in. They don't leave a dent and they don't leave a mound. I'm going to pour them in here. This is my Phthalo Blue. I've mixed up about 1 ounce of each color for this pour. Get rid of my stir sticks. This is the Ultramarine. This is my gold. I believe this is a Master's Touch gold. I'm going to put that in between. Oop. And then my turquoise. I love this turquoise. It is so pretty. Put that on top of my gold. And then I am going to put the Artist Loft White that is mixed with the Deco Art satin enamel on the top. And this should, just going to mix it a little bit. Okay. And I'm just going to do a ring pour. Holding my breath. Okay. Here comes my Phthalo Blue. My white did not sink through as much as I thought it would. That's okay, we'll see what happens. Catch that so it doesn't leave a drip. Okay. Looks mostly blue right now. Give it a torch. Pop any air bubbles. Okay, and I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. I think I'll put the camera on pause and I'll be back. Okay, so I've let this sit for 5 minutes or so, and we got some cells going on. It's looking really pretty. There's gold coming up through and the turquoise is coming up through. And I give it another torch before I stretch it because I see more air bubbles in here. Little tiny ones. Okay. It did run that way a little bit. Thought it was more level than that. Move it around a bit. Just going to move it real slowly. And see what comes of it. Okay, I'm going to go for that top corner there, I think. Bring all of it down back to the center. See if I can get it over to this top corner. Get back. Oh, there's some really pretty cells in there with multiple colors in them. I hope they stay nice. Let's back down. Okay, bring it down to this corner. Quick. And now we'll get this one covered. Switch my hand position. Rack it up a little bit. And bring it back down. Bring that over the corner. Just like that. Set it down and get a look at it. Wow. That is so cool. There are some really neat cells in there. I'm going to zoom the camera in so you can see. See all these little, sorry the camera shakes a little bit, all these little guys in here. Pretty neat looking. Bring it back out. Okay. Now I think I have too much paint on there and I don't want it to crack like my last one did, so I'm going to see how much we have. Quite a bit moving. I've already got some of the little cloudy effect going on over here on my left. I like the center so much, I don't want to lose it. So I'm not really sure what direction I want to take it. I think I'll bring a little bit of paint off this way. And I'll bring it back up. Bring it back down. See if I can round out those cells a little bit more. Oh, it's so cool. It's very pretty, pretty. Okay. Now I can see the effect already happening over here, making the little clouds. It's where that white satin enamel is popping up through the other colors. I didn't put any silicone or anything in this paint, and it's giving really some fantastic effects. This is really very neat. So guys, there's the cloudy effect. I think what I'm going to do is let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll come back on camera and show it to you guys so that we can see what develops up here. And I know from past experience that that takes a little time to develop. It's just a little bit of the gold popping up through. Wow, it's really, really cool looking. So I will be back and we'll take a look at it in a little bit. Okay guys, so it's been about 45 minutes. I don't see a big change in here, but it is very, very pretty. I'm real happy with it. Thanks for visiting with me. I really appreciate it. I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks again. Bye.